Hi everybody, Asher is here. For this video, we're going to show you how to prepare the walls for tile installation. As you see here, we use 3x5 cement boards, which they are like these. Okay, it's actually cement that it comes in 3x5 sheets that we screw into the walls, into the studs. So the tile we're going to stick to it. That's much better than drywall, which drywall you definitely don't want to do. So they're coming in like a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch. So we screw them into the studs. We're making sure that it's all nice and level, because framing the wood is not straight. You can do as straight as possible, but because of nature of wood that it's kind of living, it changes its form. So when you screw the cement boards into the studs, you gotta make sure to shims it, make sure it's all level. This way the tile comes together, equal pieces. So if you look at the corner, the same piece size that you're gonna have on the bottom, you're gonna have on the top. Very, very important. What you see the red, basically it's called the red guard. It's prevent from moisture coming out. So if you don't use it, cement also, you can get moist coming in, and then the grout color is changing. And if you use natural stone that observe the moist, and then you get discoloration, it's like a mess. So you really want to use red guard. Here we still need to put some more and cover all of it. It's going to go all the way to the ceiling. Next video we're going to show you how do we make the tiles stick to the walls. Thank you for joining us. For more videos, please visit buildtoperfection.com.